Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is Ivandunde. If you're new here, you're most welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So in this video we are going to be doing our hair. We have these beautiful knotless braids, so keep on watching for more. Our hair looks crazy. Those are the twists I had. I unbraided those, and that's how it's looking, and we are going to blow dry just a little to straighten the hair. As you all can see, it is in its natural form. So yeah, let's straighten, and I'll be using these sister braids to get everything done. And I know most of you will ask me where I got them from. They're from Perida Center, 2nd floor, I believe. The same shop where I got my products. If you watched my previous video where I pressed my natural hair, that place sells everything here, so you can go there and purchase them from there, and they were going for around 56 bob each. So I got 6, but we didn't use all the 6 braids. In case you're wondering if it was washed, I had washed it at home and conditioned it, and also before we blow dried, we applied the heat protectant that I got as well. And so she partitioned everything in 4 parts for her work to be easier, and so that it doesn't tangle. So as you can see, some part of my hair has some stuff that looks like whitish. That is not dandruffs, that's from the hydrating butter, the mascara, the one that I use, and the anti-jerkies. They didn't mix well on that area, I don't know why. Besides that, I washed my hair and then made twist outs which didn't dry quickly, so I believe that's from that. What she's using right now to apply to the hair and the scalp is the gel they use to make dreadlocks. She told me that makes the hair hold for longer, and your hair won't look rusty and crusty over a period of time. So yeah, if you want to do your braids, ask your salonist to add that to, while braiding you. Guys, since she began doing my hair, I didn't feel so much pain. I didn't feel pain at all until she finished, and it took her around 5 hours to do my hair. So you can imagine, this whole process was not painful at all. I would recommend honestly. No, because I was saving time, I didn't want to do my hair for 5 hours and then sit for another 1 hour to do my nails, and then another 30 minutes to do my brows and all that. So I combined everything together, and I started doing my nails while still getting braided. So that was quick, I would say, and brilliant of me. So yeah, this is the guy doing my nails from the same salon, and the process was so fast and quick, honestly. I also didn't want that long nails, and I didn't want what are they called? I just needed short nails anyway. So you will be seeing all that. The first hand was done, but he'll be reducing that size because hey, we can't work with such nails. So he trimmed, I needed short ones, and I applied red. You'll be seeing shortly. And that's me just showing him the size I want and the shape I want. Look at them, they're so cute. I loved, and I love short nails because long ones, hey, no. That's how long they were, but short, that's what I wanted. So the lady was still doing my hair here, and yeah, I'm by the way very inquisitive in nature. Guys, book your appointments with the Royals Beauty Salon. It's located along Moi Avenue, Tom Mboya. I believe it's in Tom Mboya, just opposite Imenti House, where Tuskie's Bebabeba was initially, but right now it's Bebabeba stalls. When you go inside, take your first right. That shop at the corner, right now they have actually renovated. When you visit, it will not be looking how it's looking in this video. So yeah, watch out for our next video that I'll be doing, showing you how the salon looks. I was feeling my nails and my hair here. Ooh, look at them. I also went for a red color, which I have never done on my nails ever. And I think they came out just how I wanted them. So this was, I think, around an hour and a half later. We were looking good and beautiful. And here they were already done braiding the hair, but now it was the final touches, finishing till the end. By the way, if you didn't know, I'm a very jovial soul. And that's my sister, she's Charity, doing my eyebrows. She's a makeup artist, by the way, and she loves makeup. And I will be doing a video with her very soon, so stay tuned for that. She will be doing my makeup, and you will see how flawless her makeup looks. But here she was doing, because I'm the sister, she was doing it for free. But just the eyebrows, because it was already in the evening. I didn't think it will take that long to do the hair. So yeah, she only did my brows because I hadn't done them that day. I wanted a full face from her, but looks like we will be doing it in another video, since I think it was around 4 p.m. and she was in a rush to go. somewhere. But I told her to just do my brows and then go. Yeah, let's see that. So here they had already finished with the hair and she was almost done with the brows, but she had to take some photos for me because I need a thumbnail and a beautiful one. Yeah. You remember the gel I was telling you guys about? Yeah, that's what she's using to lay my edges. This gel is the bomb.com, as I've said. It is the it thing right now. Makes your baby hair stay the entire day or two if you want. So yeah, and I like how she did everything. Yeah, I love you, Sissy. Thank you. Hey guys, I never thought my baby hair would lay this much. Look at that. You know, I never thought it would ever lay down that, to, what am I even saying? This gel is that gel. And now it was time for her to style the hair. She's a very good stylist, by the way, a very good one. I don't even know where she took that from. Anyway, we have taste in our family. Just look at that. Yep, I stayed with this style for about 3 days without removing it because it was that good. So now everything was done. I was happy. I think I paid around 2,000 bob for this, and in other salons you would pay an arm and a leg. Now the braids I bought with my own money, so it doesn't come with the braids. You either go with the braids or they will sell the braids for you. And now it was time to get another photo, just because I asked her and she couldn't say no. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It will really help this video go viral or reach more people. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.